What if I told you that a spoonful of tiny seeds could help you curb cravings, fight fat, and boost your metabolism, all without starving yourself? Sounds like clickbait, right? But it's not. It's chia seeds. In this video, we're diving into 7 genius ways to use chia seeds for real weight loss. And more importantly, why they work. From chia water to smart snacks and even baking hacks, you'll learn simple, science-backed methods to turn this ancient superfood into your modern fat loss ally. 1. Chia water, the natural appetite suppressant. Let's start with one of the simplest and most underrated uses, chia water. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with a large glass of water, stir it, and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll see the seeds absorb the water and swell into a gel-like texture. But here's why it's effective. When you drink chia water 30 minutes before a meal, it partially fills your stomach. That means you're likely to feel satisfied faster and eat less during your actual meal. It's like a natural appetite suppressant, but with no chemicals, no caffeine, and no side effects. Want to enhance the effect? Add lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to boost metabolism and help with digestion. 2. Overnight chia pudding, your healthy dessert replacement. Next up, if you're someone who craves sweets at night, you're going to love this. Overnight chia pudding. Take 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, mix it with half a cup of almond milk or coconut milk, and add a few drops of vanilla or a teaspoon of honey. Leave it in the fridge overnight. By morning, you've got a thick, creamy pudding packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, and only around 150 to 200 calories. Add berries or nuts for extra antioxidants and texture. Not only does it keep you full, but it satisfies your sweet tooth with real, whole foods. This isn't a diet trick, it's a lifestyle swap that supports weight loss without feeling like a punishment. 3. Lemon chia, Detox, water morning metabolism booster. Let's talk about mornings, the most critical time for your metabolism. Drinking chia lemon detox water first thing in the morning rehydrates your body, boosts digestion, and sets your metabolism in motion. Here's the recipe. 1 tablespoon soaked chia seeds, juice of half a lemon, a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 glass warm water. Why it works. Lemon supports liver detox, chia brings fiber and omega-3s, and cayenne slightly raises your body's internal temperature, boosting calorie burn. This drink is like flipping the fat burn switch before you've even had breakfast. 4. Chia Egg, the smart baking hack. What if I told you could bake your favorite muffins, pancakes, or cookies and make them more weight loss friendly? That's where chia eggs come in. To make a chia egg, just mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 10 minutes until it forms a jelly. That's it. 1 chia egg replaces 1 regular egg in baking. This switch lowers cholesterol, adds fiber, and keeps you fuller longer. And here's the bonus. Chia slows the digestion of carbs. So when you bake something with sugar or flour, the chia helps prevent blood sugar spikes, which are one of the biggest causes of fat storage and cravings. 5. Pre-workout chia energy drink. Boost your fat burn. Before you exercise, your body needs fuel. But most pre-workouts are full of sugar, caffeine, or synthetic chemicals. Try this clean, natural alternative instead. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup coconut water juice of half a lime. Let sit for 15 to 20 minutes. This chia energy drink gives you lasting fuel thanks to slow digesting fiber and fat, while coconut water hydrates and replenishes electrolytes. It's like a clean burning fuel for your workout. And the best part? It actually enhances fat burning during exercise because your insulin stays low. 6. Chia smoothies, power meals that curb cravings. Smoothies are one of the easiest ways to overdo calories unless you add chia. By tossing a tablespoon of chia into your morning smoothie, you completely change the game. Here's a great weight loss recipe. 1 cup almond milk, 1 frozen banana, a handful of spinach, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, half a scoop protein powder, blend it all up. What does chia do here? It adds volume, fiber, and slows digestion, meaning you stay full for 3 to 4 hours, not 30 minutes. Smoothies go from sugar bombs to balanced meals, all thanks to chia. 7. Chia shots, your emergency snack solution. Let's face it, cravings hit hard, especially in the afternoon or late at night. Instead of grabbing chips or cookies, Keep chia shots ready in your fridge. What are they? Just small jars or containers filled with 1 tablespoon of soaked chia plus cinnamon or lemon. That's it. When hunger hits, take 1 shot. The fiber expands in your stomach, balances blood sugar, and tricks your brain into thinking you've had something filling. Over time, this habit rewires your hunger cues, and that's when real weight loss becomes permanent. So let's quickly recap. 1. Chia water before meals. 2. Chia pudding as a dessert. 3. Morning lemon detox water. 4. Chia eggs and baking. 5. Pre-workout energy drink. 6. Chia packed smoothies. 7. Chia shots to crush cravings. These aren't just trendy internet hacks, they're practical science-backed strategies that can genuinely support your weight loss journey. And the best part? You don't need to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. Just pick 1 or 2 of these chia methods and try them consistently for a few days. You'll be surprised how something so small can make such a big difference, whether it's fewer cravings, more energy, or just feeling more in control of your eating habits. If this video helped you even a little, hit that thumbs up to let us know. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on smarter health tips like this, and drop a comment below. How do you use chia seeds? Do you have a favorite recipe or trick we should try next?